17, the Monday 30th June 2025 date for the 100 NEC meeting is binding on all organs and members, and as such, no organ, group, or officers of the party has the power to alter, change, vary, veto, or convert the already convened NEC meeting. Contrary to a purported notice being circulated in the social media suggesting that the 100 NEC meeting has been converted to a special expanded national caucus meeting, the NWC states in clear terms that the said notice did not emanate from the PDP and should be disregarded. The NWC emphasizes that there is no provision whatsoever for an expanded national caucus in the constitution of the PDP or any guideline of our party. For the avoidance of doubt, Section 30 of the constitution of the PDP is unambiguous in providing for a national caucus for the party with its composition, functions, and meetings clearly spelled out, leaving no room for any form of expansion. The suggestion, proposal, or announcement for a special expanded national caucus meeting is therefore unconstitutional and cannot take any decision for the PDP, being not a recognized organ or body in the PDP. The PDP is a political party built on the foundation and pedestal of strict adherence to the rule of law, guided by the due process of our party constitution and the ethos of internal democracy, which values must be protected and preserved at all times. The NWC acknowledges the support and solidarity of the members of the PDP and reassures that the 100 NEC meeting and the National Convention will go on as scheduled by NEC. Thank you very much, and God bless you.